Is this a bono? That's gotta be a bono, right? Tell me we don't have to get like 75 of them. That big one must be enough for a bono. We're getting extra spins right now? Okay. Alright, that's a lot of FS's. 12s. Okay, I like it. Alright, vagina's out. Vagina's out for this one, baby. Here we go. 12 spins. Oh, a little 25x. Don't mind if we do. Okay. Okay. Let's just do that every spin, yeah? Alright, deal. Deal. Oh, how many key? We can re-trigger the other bonus? Oh, yeah, baby. Okay. Okay, I'm liking these coins so far. I'm liking these coins. We can re-trigger the key bonus, it looks like, as well. That'd be pretty sick. 2 for 1? Little 2 for 1? Is that a free spin? Yeah, it is. Come on. Come on. Keys, coins. Yep, big. Oh, it's over there, bro. You missed them all. Bruh. It's your problem, Brett. Alright, we got an extra spin out of it at least. Guaranteed. Big, big. Oh, it's gray symbol is not very good, right? I mean, that feels bad. Big ones. Okay. Alright, you got the big one. Good job. Good job, little fella. Good job, little fella. Then we'll take FS's. No? Okay. I really kind of wonder how many keys we need. Ooh. That's a lot of blue symbols. She's printing right now. Oh, big symbol, big symbol. Oh, grays again. How much is that worth with a big symbol, though? Come on. Catch the coins. Come on, big. Oh, oh, there's nothing huge out there. Why couldn't you have brought a bigger trailer, my little friend? Okay, okay. Some FS's would be good. Oh, it's got to be bigger than a gray symbol. No, it's not. Well, we didn't go all the way either. Oh, hey! 100x are in there! And he catches it for us. What a little G. What a little G this man is. Catches that 100xer easy peasy. Ooh. We're juicing it. We're juicing it right now. Little 200xer. I mean, this Peter and Sons never juice. Never. Come on. And we still get a line pay and 2 extra spins. Man, it's a beautiful thing. And all from $1. We had $1 in the account left. $1. We actually are going to complete our goal. We could actually complete our goal of going $1 to over 100. And we get another spin as well. Come on. One more gems. Oh, all right. No. Oh. Damn. That was a juicer. Hit that like and subscribe button. Coin Blox? First time we hit that bono. I like it.